What if you could create a masterpiece in just 5 seconds? What if your ideas could come to life faster than ever before, with stunning detail and realism? Are you searching for a tool that can automatically generate the music for video clips? Or create high-quality lip sync in just one click like me? Then you are in the right place. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or digital artist, PixVerse V4 is the tool you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. This is PixVerse AI's homepage. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and then click on the login button from here and create an account. Okay, here you will find some featured video clips. To create our own video, we have to go to the prompt box at the bottom of the page. Okay, this is the PixVerse prompt box. At this moment, we are in the text to video or image to video mode. Here, you will find some more features like effects, transitions, sound, speech, and others. We will talk about them one by one. Now let's start our journey with text to video generator. Okay, here in this box, we have to enter our text prompt. I am entering a ready prompt. Always try to enter a detailed prompt. To get better results, you can follow the PixVerse prompt guide. You will get the guides here. Okay, after entering the prompt, come to the settings. Here you can set the aspect ratio. I will go at 16:9. After that, enter the negative prompts if you want. Next, we have the seed option. After the seed, set the video duration. PixVerse allows you to generate a maximum 8-second long video. Next, we have video resolution. Here you can generate 1080p higher resolution video clips. However, if you want a faster generation, select the turbo option. Don't worry, we can upscale the video later. Okay, next, we have the auto sound feature. This is very interesting. If you enable this feature, AI will generate a BGM for this video automatically. You can also mention the sound. Let's see what it generates automatically. After that, we have auto speech. If you need lip sync, then you can use this feature. I will use this later. After auto speech, we have the style tool. If you want to generate a specific style video, then you can choose the style from here. This tool is basically for those who want to generate an anime video. As I want to generate a cinematic video, I am skipping this time. Next, we have the camera effects. You can set the camera work from here. After that, the magic brush tool only works with a reference image. Then we have the motion settings. There are 2 options available here, standard and smooth. I will go with smooth generation as it can generate better motion. In the end, we have the video generation model. By default, we are in the most capable V4 model. However, you can change it to V3.5 or V3. Alright, once everything is set, hit the Create button. You can see that PixVerse starts generating the video. It will take around 10 seconds to generate an 8-second long video, where other AI video generators like Minimax or Luma AI take around 5 minutes to generate a 5-second long video. Here it is. Our video is ready. Look at the quality of the video. This is just amazing. The object movement, inertia, light, and shadow are all just perfect, and the sound effect makes the video more intense. This is just crazy. So now you can create this kind of amazing cinematic video in just a few seconds. Okay, now you can download the video by clicking on the download icon here. And if you think there is any issue in the video, you can always regenerate by clicking on the retry button from here. Now, if you want to extend your video and make a longer video, then select the extend button from here. After selecting the extend tool, you have to mention the additional action prompt here in this box. After that, you can set negative prompts and seeds from here. Then, set the extended video duration, video resolution, style, and motion. Once done, hit the Create button. After waiting some time, I got this result. PixVerse seamlessly extends the video and makes it 16 seconds. In this method, you can extend the video as per your need. Alright, next, with the sound feature, you can generate sound effects for an existing video. And if you want to generate a lip sync of any video character, then use the speech tool. Now, as I told you earlier, you can upscale the video to make it higher resolution. I will use this upscale tool from here. Once you click here, the video will upscale within a second, and this is the result. The difference is huge. So now you can generate this kind of high-quality video with Pixverse AI. Okay, now I will introduce you to another interesting tool called Restyle. If you want to change the video style, then use this Restyle tool. For example, I want to turn this realistic video into a Ghibli-style animation video. After selecting the Restyle tool, select the style from this library. Next, you can see the existing video has been added as the reference video. Now set all other settings and then click the Create button. And here it is, our Ghibli-style version of the reference video is ready. And the result is outstanding. Pixverse AI did a great job. Now, if you want to transfer the style of a video from your device, then after selecting the Restyle tool, replace the existing video and upload a new video from your device, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. Our Ghibli-style version of the reference video is ready. And the result is outstanding. So now you can easily turn any video into an anime or other style video within a few seconds. Alright, now let's move forward to the Image to Video Generator tool. Come to the Image or Text tab from here. Now, to turn any image into a video, we have to click here and then upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, enter the action prompt here in this box. Next, set all other settings like aspect ratio, negative prompts, seeds, video duration, resolution, and auto sound. This time, I will enable the auto speech to create a lip sync for my character. After selecting the tool, enter the script here in this box. After that, set a voice model from here. If you are confused about the voice model, then you can select the auto from here. Okay, this time I will skip the style and camera settings. Now, as we upload an image, the Magic Brush tool will work now. This is the Magic Brush interface. Here at the bottom, you can see the AI detect some area or object automatically. You can select them from here, and if you want to draw manually, you can do that also. After selecting the area, come to the Direction tab and draw the direction as per your need. Once done, hit the Confirm button. Okay, now click on Create to generate the final video. And here it is. Our video is ready. And you can see the result.
The world is dying. Oh God, please save us.
Pixverse did a great job. I like it. Okay, if you already have the first frame and last frame of any video, then you can use the transition tool from here. After coming to this page, upload the first frame and the last frame images. Once done, enter the text prompt. After entering the prompts, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. Here is the result video. This is really a great video. There is another very interesting feature available here on Pixverse called Character. With this feature, you can create amazing, consistent character videos. You just have to upload a character face image and create a character. Once the character is created, enter the prompt here in this box and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the Create button. And here, you can see that Pixverse generates a video with our character. With this tool, you can create a full movie or consistent character video for your virtual model. I will make a separate video on this topic. Okay, in the end, let's talk about the Effects tool. With the Effect feature, you can create various viral videos like AI kissing, hugging, and fighting videos from templates. For example, I want to turn this horse into a robot. So I am selecting the Anything Robot template. Now we have to upload the horse image. Once the image is uploaded, set all the settings. Once you are done, hit the Create button. And here it is. Our video is ready. You can see how beautifully the horse turned into a robot. Pixverse 4.0 brings AI videos closer to life than ever before. Enjoy more natural expressions, finer emotional details, and real-world physics like object movement, inertia, and light. Every frame is ultra-realistic. And speed. Pixverse V4 4.0 is unmatched. Generate stunning videos in as little as 5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 5 seconds. Compared to other AI video tools, PixVerse V4.0 stands out with superior speed, accuracy, and output quality. It's not just an upgrade, it's a game changer. So don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!